on the Marco Heron channel, where we want to review some cool DeFi projects, and today we have a new cool project. But before the video starts, a small disclaimer: everything you'll hear in this video is not financial advice. Before making a decision about investing in a particular project, always conduct your research. This is the only way you can save and decrease your capital.
Today we are reviewing the Polygon CDK, and now we will figure out what kind of solution it is. Polygon CDK is an open source solution based on a modular environment. Developers can use CDKs to launch Zkey-based Ethereum L2 networks or to convert existing level 1 to level 2 networks. This is a continuing of the old supernet concept. Advantages of Polygon CDK: reliable and almost instant compatibility with all other Polygon networks, thanks to XLY bridge, automatic and unhindered access to the overall liquidity of the Polygon ecosystem, quick access to all Ethereum liquidity, simplified bit confirmation system for transactions, Zkey technologies to enhance security, modularity and customization with the ability to create private blockchains, data integrity and stability, namely due to the fact that networks built using CDKs will have a dedicated data availability commit that provides reliable access to data of network. If you are creating a DeFi application for millions of active users, you can use the Polygon CDKs to create an independent second-level blockchain. It will meet the specific requirements of your project, such as TPS, custom security settings, gas fee, and token model. Let's move on to the first project, and this is Astar. Now let's talk about it in more detail. Astar ZK EFM is now public, advancing blockchain adoption and the first layer 2 chain to fully integrate with Polygon's egg layer and begin to consolidate the divided blockchain landscape. This begins unifying state and liquidity and start cross-chain interoperability between three major ecosystems: Polygon, Ethereum, and Astar network. Over the next few months, additional projects will implement the CDK standard and immediately connect to the growing ecosystem on Astar, which currently sits at $700 million. Polygon's unified bridge allows you to transfer any Ethereum asset natively to Astar ZK rollup through a unified bridge. Today's important first step to welcome communities to a seamless multi-chain ecosystem, with Astar and numerous other ZK power chains on board soon. Polygon CDK and Egg Layer are poised to bring internet-scale capabilities to the world of crypto, said Deep Nailwall, founder of Polygon. The team was thinking about how interesting it's to get the community involved and enjoy exploring the Astar ecosystem. That's what Yoki Oranges is. This is a journey during which you will get to know the original Yoki characters, inspired by supernatural creators from Japan named Yokai. We invite you to assemble and update your Yoki, attracting talented artists, the world's leading innovators and Web3 developers who have joined Astar ZK EVM. Subscribe to their social networks and stay up to date with all the news, promotions and developers. Next, let's move on to the second no less interesting project, and this is Swell, is non-custodial betting protocol designed to provide the world's best experience in placing and restaking liquid funds, simplify access to DeFi, and secure the future of Ethereum and restaking services. With Swell, users can earn passive income by placing or replacing Ethereum to receive both blockchain rewards and updated AVS rewards, and in return receive a profitable liquidity token, LST or LRT, to store or participate in the broader DeFi ecosystem for additional profitability. Subscribe to their social networks to learn about new events, ideas, and opportunities that will change the world. Next is the first project, and this is a wilder world. Everything in wilder world exists as on-chain objects, from avatars and cyberware to wheels, crafts, lands, buildings, and more. A few wild will be changed for each transaction and gameplay, which will ensure reliable blending of tokens and incentivize for players, creators, and infrastructure providers. They create a wilder world for the masses, counting on millions of players and billions of on-chain objects. They maintain this level of scaling for virtual worlds. We need our own blockchain. It should be ultra-fast, lightweight, scalable, decentralized, and inexpensive to operate. Today, in partnership with the related Project Zero, Chain is being announced, a new type of blockchain specially designed for scaling GameFi, virtual worlds, and simulators. Let's get started. Scalable solutions with Polygon and Celeste Chain will provide a hyper-scalable, ultra-fast Tier 2 solution for Ethereum, featuring gas fee transactions. Once you connect to Chain, application and protocol providers will be responsible for paying gas fees on behalf of users. In the case of Wilder World, gas fees will be paid directly through Metropolis, a set of Wilder World industry economic protocol that generates revenue through trade fees. The implementation of Chain will be facilitated by the Polygon Chain Development Kit, which provides the necessary tools and infrastructure for successful integration. Using Polygon CDK technology, Chain will connect directly to the main Ethereum network and join the ranks of other L2s to bring decentralization to the world. With its modular data available network, Celeste Chain can scale to millions of users while providing a very expensive on-chain gameplay thanks to the ability to sample available data. Subscribe and keep up to date with all the news, developments, and special others. Next, we will talk about the fourth project. Moonwell creates the first Web3 ecosystem for gamers, as well as multi-indicators based on the Polygon CDK. This initiative will provide players with a deserved gaming experience and facilitate collaboration with a large number of projects, thereby creating a reliable Moonveil ecosystem. In the future, the Moonveil ecotoken will play a key role in bringing together all projects within this ecosystem. The debut of the Rocket to the Moon season is just around the corner, which will focus on the upcoming ecosystem token draw. Their mission is to create an open ecosystem that allows players to actively participate in our games, providing them with the ongoing rewards and recognition they truly deserve. Moonwell will create an ecosystem of multi-game metrics, including Moonwell Proofs, Moonwell Forge, and Moonwell Punch. In the long term, Moonwell will create an ecosystem of multi-game indicator, including gamers of its own design, experimental approaches, and possibly third-party games. Stay tuned for further updates on Moonveil's official platform and don't miss out on this existing journey. Subscribe to them and learn more about their mission, news, and promotions. Well, let's sum up the results. The Polygon Chain Development Kit is proving to be a game-changing technology in the blockchain space, enabling a new wave of innovative projects across various sectors. This open-source solution is empowering developers to create scalable, efficient, and interoperable blockchain networks. All this project use the advantages of the Polygon CDK to create innovative solutions in the field of blockchain, DeFi, GameFi, and metaverses.
And let me remind you that before you get to this channel, the projects are checked by me personally until the product decent and safe, which can give us good and stable access and chance to be here. However, don't forget to do your research before making a decision about investing in a particular project. This is the only way you can save and decrease your capital. That's it, guys, and I continue to look for new cool project for you and me, which we can go early and make good and stable access. Bye bye to everyone, guys.